How to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you how you can get voice chat on Roblox, iPhone or an Android device. Now if you're on an iOS device, either way the procedure will remain the same, so make sure to stick with us till the end. Before we get started with update your application and log in into your Roblox account. Once you're logged into your Roblox account, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now right on this page, tap on the three dot icon located in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Scroll down a bit, go to settings. After you tap on the settings button, account info. After you tap on account info, make sure that your age is verified. If you have not verified your age, you can see that in my case I've not verified, so there is such option as verify my age. So in order to verify your age, you need to tap on verify my age. After that, it's gonna ask you to provide in or take a picture of your state ID or government ID, and only then you'll be able to verify your age. Apart from it, if you have not verified your age, then you'll not be able to enable a voice chat on Roblox. Now if you've already verified your age, then you'll be able to see verified age, and right next to it you can also see the verified button. Once you're done verifying your age, what you'll have to do is head back to the page. The next step is you need to go ahead and open up the privacy. After you tap on privacy, it's going to direct you to my settings. As already mentioned, if you have enabled if you have verified your age, you'll be able to see enable voice chat right at the bottom, so right on top. So all you have to do is just toggle it on and then turn on or enable the voice chat. As soon as you've done that, you'll need to head back to your home page and then open up the game that you want to enable it, and right in center you'll be able to see a microphone icon. All you have to do is just select it and then you'll be able to start a voice chat. And similarly, if you want to turn it off, then do the same procedure, just tap on it and unmute the mic. In this way you can get voice chat on Roblox mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.